Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, let's see how to make salted mutton curry. It's very simple to make and very delicious too, and it doesn't require too many number of ingredients. Let's get started. In a pressure cooker, I have taken 250 grams of mutton. To this, I'm going to add 2 cups of water and salt to taste. Mix well and close the pressure cooker, and I'm going to pressure cook this for 3 whistles. You have to cook according to the tenderness of the meat. Mine is very tender, so I'm going to cook only for 3 whistles. After 3 whistles, let's open the pressure cooker and have a look. At this stage, always check and make sure if the mutton is cooked to soft. If not, you have to cook for some more time till it is soft. In a pan, I have added 1.5 tablespoons of oil. To this, we are not going to add any spices. It's so simple to make. It's just green chilies and shallots. I have taken 2 green chilies chopped and 20 number of shallots cut into big pieces. I'm going to add both of them together. Just mix it and saute them for a while. And to this, I'm going to add 2 chopped red chilies and little curry leaves, and this is all you would require to make this mutton curry. You don't need any other spice powders or masalas. After sauteing them for a while, now I'm going to add the cooked mutton. Reserve the stock, we are going to use it at the later stage. After adding all the mutton, give it a good mix and let it get cooked for at least 2 minutes. Now I'm going to add little more salt. While adding salt, always remember we have added salt while cooking the mutton, so adjust the quantity of salt you are going to add now. Mix well and let it cook for a while. It's been cooked for a couple of minutes now. I'm going to add the stock. After adding the stock, reduce the heat to medium and cook till it gets absorbed and the curry oozes out some oil. Keep mixing it now and then. You can now notice that the stock has reduced now. Keep mixing it. See how juicy it has turned out, and the green chilies and onions, everything got mashed up so well, and very soon you can notice oil oozing out from this curry. That is the right stage. Be careful when it reaches this stage. It won't take more than a minute. It's almost done now. You see the oil oozing out from the sides of the pan, and this is the stage we need to turn off the heat. And that's all. Our so simple and so delicious salted mutton curry is now ready. Do try this recipe at home and post your comments. If you like this video and if you wish to watch more such interesting recipes, do subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.